Run them web, run them. So what will come out of this? Anything is proven?
Nothing. 9-day attack and everything push under the rug and sweep under the rug and Jacden forgotten and the 520 million tax exemption
my apology already.
We're up from the country gone. Nobody know and it is
Mr. God, now Mr. Golden have my apology already. I'm here. Kizzy apologize already to Mr. Golden.
Oh, you mean we don't apologize to Master Mark, Baba? Me too enough.
We did expect too much. We did expect too much. And the man do nothing wrong.
Man do nothing wrong.
Hello.
Ed Cornerstone, Bill a refuser.
I'm excuse you. How are you?
There, sir. There with egg pa my face.
Listen to me. Listen to me. I don't want to act surprised by Tufton's, behavior or demeanor or how him approach things. Remember saying, you see him Tufton when him beat him last year, wicked, the see him Rattigan, them and all of them deal them wicked, I call it saying rob up hospital money and kind of thing. When we look one night at Tufton over there with a little bit of blood and all of them from platform and them deal them wicked.
I know.
You remember Kizzy?
I know. Yes, I know.
After we I take boofing Tufton. When we look at Tufton,
he never go over do the boy platform.
Me see him man in a box and me say I'll little bit of blood that disrespect the man.
Mm-hmm. When they depend one YouTube live with the whole of them.
One Sunday night, man.
Yeah, one of them back him up. Remember now.
They take turn. I said no, I can't buy this.
And a buff him and a buff him.
I said when he comes on, like you finally realize that I go in Japan, you say I run him, I can't take your heat like kitchen. I say, Mr. Minister. In person, I said, Minister, me not fight no one here again. I know you left me alone. Me know why you left me alone.
What do you want to defend Tufton when he in a problem? Me not do it again.
I want to say this quickly before I come off on the line. If I the doctor does in a Tufton position to them, me say the bus and truck and van live roadblock at Jamaica.
When him done, Mr. Wami.
Mr. That's what to join the parliament.
Vegas, nobody won't have no moment left you mean.
Mr. That the man that chip having clothes like madman and walk down up and down the road and demonstrate himself. Me see this man here walk around building to Rati the other day with the drill. The man walk like madman. Madman.
Up a Belmont Road.
To a drill. Because listen me, man. Christopher Softon will not do anything about this. All who are deflect. Me tell them from the other day, say nothing will come of it. Me tell them from the other day. Yeah? One Dennis Garden. That way I say. All right?
One Dennis Garden. Yes. I know one, a two. But as we know it, one Dennis Garden.
Yeah? Dennis Garden about 5 different stories in Vegas, and I know one story can't make one sense,
Listen me, Dennis Garden, I'm a general. Just love Dennis Garden, yeah, brother. Just love the boss. The boss is it? Just love Brock Bread, see?
Man, tough, yeah. You think you're surviving in politics so long under the radar and reach out.
The only problem me have when the PMP them and then PMP them I run around and say the man do nothing wrong, and that's that problem me have. Come and say, listen, it's bad and bad. So we have to accept it thing, but nobody take with the idiot with it. Is it? Nobody take with the idiot and just like this is politics 101, gentle people. It's just come to show when we depend on internet. I go at each other, and I go at each other throat, and I fuss each other, and they sit in the boat, Labour and PMP, I go back and forth, and whosoever else, it just comes to show you that, listen to me, Just love people and go through. If you want better for your country, you work with the better the evil them. And that's how you go.
Big up on yourself. Big up yourself, Mr. Vegas.
You know, say, Mr. Vegas, them say something you're controversial, you know. And person will read into this and talk bullshit, but what you're saying is so true. What you're saying, trust me, is facts.
Guys, don't I tell you no long time. I not tell you no say you have a whole heap of do that's in at the GLP party. Oh, you have a whole heap of licky.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Outla. Good afternoon, Outla.
Oh, big up yourself, one love.
The highest thing, the highest thing you hear, step light.
You better talk nice, Outla. Mute your mic and you just come quiet.
All right, shut them out.
Listen me. Yes, ma'am.
You never hear my volume?
I don't know you. Yeah. So I have to run, but I just have to tell the item. Just know say a politics we're dealing. Good?
Don't talk, Papa.
Politics
Yeah,
we're dealing.
All right,
apologize
Jaden,
already,
nice hearing from you.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
I mean, I wonder where different what they.
Uno done. Hey, let me tell you something. You see, as I start talk, the live, when we see live, I share out, you know. And I see when everybody come here, petal. Everybody come. And from me, see them come, me say, yes, God, me like reaching a specific group.
Take care, Guru.
Like reaching a specific group in a petal.
Wow.
And from me like reaching a specific group. Me say, yes, sir. Me know them me fish shut me mouth. Me no fit talk, so me disappointed in the article.
What punkos there? We don't find punkos on now, man.
It's nasty.
Who cares?
$2
One love.
lakhs. 2 lakhs. Big up on yourself, everybody. 2 lakhs.
2 lakhs.
2 lakhs gone.
My box.
Yeah, me I hear you. Yeah, when me say me did over the live though with you know. And what kind of woman them the virgin? The woman them say no matter where them party do them must still them party. Hey, party over country.
They no say PMPs, dear brother.
Hello, listen a minute. People them say I cut them blood orange.
They no
Hear me
pay
no man?
us.
Hear me no? I know PNP one say that. So don't behave like a PNP one say that. Labor right say that too. And then labor right say that. Me I tell
No,
you.
labor right now. Not so emotional.
Me no know
no man, you have labor right we say listen me no.
The 2 lakhs
You
family
have labor
them.
right we say.
And PNP
We would
come
say
You have labor right.
staunch labor right. But guess what? When people wrong, them wrong 2 lakhs. Come labor right now.
Yeah,
come
when people wrong, they wrong.
2 lakhs. It's
2
just
lakhs.
over in cousin
2
line.
lakhs.
So
Any day me feel like what you said a while ago. Me I do the honorable thing. Me I honor my father, I'm a here and get some glamour zone and find one hilltop.
What you talk about? You talk about one love.
He must
Any
say
day.
2 lakhs. He must say he can't blind follow no party, no P, no matter
No, me
which.
can't blind follow no P.
Okay.
But the PMP them are gonna run with this now and I say ratted this. Make we tell them say them not forget up them hopes. One of when you said to me, honey, you said something to me.
Them are more sore. Them are better. Them are worse as sore for dressing.
And me I tell you, what you say? Reconsider.
Why when they need to clean up our house?
I kid me no. Me not state of confusion and that is not normal. And you know what I wickedest thing about it now?
Yeah.
You know that doing I make care about that. I make a whole conversation near my woman.
But
Oh, on the break, tell me what going on, man. Tell me what going on.
when you get a chance,
All right. Hello everyone.
hold on 2 lakhs. No, we talk something, man. Hold on there. When you get a chance, one love. Yeah, but you heard us talking, sweetheart. When you get a chance, one love, we take it from there,
Yeah,
all
man.
right? All right,
Yeah,
sweetheart.
man.
Go ahead, no 2 lakhs.
What?
Sorry about that, honey. 2 lakhs.
That is okay, no problem.
Yeah,
2 lakhs.
In skin thinning.
your time 2 lakhs.
2 lakhs.
Miskin nothing, man.
2 lakhs. 2 lakhs, oy. 2 lakhs. You got hang out with your cousin like a bit?
Boy. Yes.
Okay.
Huh?
You want me to say you got hang out with your cousin?
I say my follow. Yeah, man, we're here. My follow.
Yeah, I hear you, but you look like you're there far from
Yeah,
your
I'm going
phone.
out with my cousin, yeah.
Okay.
You hear your two lots here like you get vexed. And also we roll, man. What kind of foolishness that?
You know vex, man. In the far from him phone.
Uno look out. Uno look out.
No.
Go to Dennis Gad.
Me no
Dennis
vex.
Gad.
Me no vex.
You can't vex with me, especially me. For me,
Look out for Dennis Garden, come out and win in this.
But Dennis Garden doesn't mean
No. Vex no work with 2 lakhs so easy. Me can't vex over foolishness.
You not tell me what go on, no people. No tell me no know where I go on. No tell me something where I go on.
Before we tell you, may I beg you send me couple gifts. Well, let's go for Outlaw, send me couple gifts and send Kizzy one money gone, and then we tell you.
Why? You see,
May I beg you send me some.
me no want rise nothing again. No, me want stay as how it is. I don't want even can't send nothing again.
Max Romy wicked. Max Romy, if Punkus ever see that. Max Romy, if Punkus ever see that comment the way you make, God help you.